Want to know how to recycle high-performing posts automatically and save time while keeping your content evergreen? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how you can set it up easily. You can continue getting value from your best performing posts without constantly reposting them manually. Here's the thing. Most of us have posts that performed really well. Maybe they went viral or just hit the right chord with our audience. But the truth is, a lot of that content just sits there, forgotten, while we scramble to create more fresh content. Wouldn't it be great to just recycle those posts automatically and keep getting engagement from them? That's exactly what we're going to do. First off, let's talk about the software we'll be using for this. There are tons of tools out there, but after testing the most popular options, I found that one really stands out. It's simple to use and does the job without any extra fluff. And the best part? I've got an exclusive free trial just for you to try it out. All the details are in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Start by connecting your social media accounts to the software. This is where the magic happens. The software will pull your previous posts, analyze them, and figure out which ones perform the best. It'll show you the content that got the most engagement, so you know exactly which post you want to recycle. Next, the software allows you to set up an automated schedule. This is key because you don't want to be manually posting every time you want to recycle a post. With the scheduling feature, you can choose to repost your top performing content at set intervals, daily, weekly, or even monthly. This way, you get to keep your audience engaged with minimal effort on your part. But here's the secret sauce. You can also customize how the posts get recycled. For example, if it's an Instagram post, you can automatically repost the image with the same caption, or you can tweak the caption to make it more relevant for your audience at that moment. This keeps the content fresh, even though it's old. Another great feature is the ability to add new hashtags, update links, or even change the image depending on what platform you're posting to. The software gives you complete control over how your recycled posts look, which means they'll still feel relevant and engaging, not like stale content being recycled. Once your posts are automatically scheduled, sit back and relax. The software will take care of everything from there. It'll track engagement, making sure you know if any recycled post starts to perform exceptionally well again. If it does, you can adjust your future strategy based on those results. Pretty neat, right? If you want to follow along and implement this for your own content strategy, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier. It's in the description below and is available only for viewers of my channel. Before I wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Recycling high-performing posts automatically is one of the smartest ways to keep your content alive without extra effort. It helps you maximize engagement while freeing up your time for new content creation. To quickly recap, start by connecting your social media accounts to the software. Let it find your top-performing posts and then schedule them for automatic recycling. Don't forget you can customize the recycled content for freshness and make sure to track engagement so you can refine your strategy as you go. If you want to try this for yourself, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.